In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Shift Lock in Steal A Brainrot on Roblox. First, open Roblox, search for Steal A Brainrot, and click Play to launch the game. Give it a few seconds to fully load up inside the Roblox client. Once you are inside the game, press Escape on your keyboard. This will open up the main menu. From there, click on Settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for an option called Shift Lock Switch. By default, it is going to be turned off. All you have to do is toggle it and switch it to on. After that, just close the menu and resume the game. That is it. Shift Lock is now active. So what Shift Lock actually does is it locks your camera behind your character when you hold the Shift key. This makes it a lot easier to move around and aim in the right direction while you are playing. It's a small setting, but it makes the game feel a lot smoother once you turn it on. That is how you do it.